p.m. Central Time, and we are trying to do analysis what's going on. It's like a pre-market, but since crypto market is on Sundays, we are trying to still look into that. And let's see what goes on right now. What we are trying to here see is kind of different situation. Uh, let's analyze it. So on a daily level, we see there has been a tremendous break of structure, break of structure, break of structure, and looks like this is the point where the structure was not kind of broken. So this is like a twist of structure, right? Now from this point, there was another break of structure because this went up and then it kind of replaced back, and now it's in a repulsive effect. So what we are trying to see is now the bull run is being on the way, and we see all the news and everything also makes up the shape that okay, it's a Fed is cutting off the cost, the interest rates will go down, the businesses will boom, and all those things will happen. So eventually what would happen is from this point onwards, what could be the strategy? The strategy for the short-term traders and long-term traders. For short-term traders, the strategy would be we are right now in this leg, okay? And our strategy for short-term traders and then let's say long-term traders. And there is also a big double bottom formed here. So we see here, and this has been now an area of interest. Area of interest means there have been multiple taps, one tap, two tap, three tap here. So we are trying to formulate different analysis here, and either what we can do is we can play this long, and what we can do is we can say okay, our stop loss point is here and our bottom point is here. We can drive up to 94,951, take a profit. It's good, 1.22 risk reward ratio, and that's where we made money. And hopefully this might take a hold of, let's say this much time it took to fall, 9 days. It might take 9 days to, or it could be a big candle like this in 4 5 days. So about a 1 week hold and you can make a return of decent 12%, right? But if you do a 1:1 risk reward ratio, you could risk $100, make $100. You can risk $1,000, make 1,000, and you could risk $10,000 and make. But this is a big candle, so luckily, rarely it might come back down because it's already been down. And you see, one time it was here, second time it was slightly up, third time it's slightly up. So this is an area of institutional buying, and this candle shows that institutional orders are fulfilled. So when this has been three taps, now what can happen is it can still come slightly down and still go up. So you have to protect your stop losses. And my suggestion is if you want to protect the stop loss, do the stop loss protection till here. Okay, but let's say if you want to play a swing trade for many days, what you can do is you can go way back up, and this is a very good 1:7 risk reward ratio. So if you lose $100, you can make $700. If you lose $1,000, you can make $7,000 back. And how much time this would take? Exactly the same time as it took to fall back down. So about 72 days, about 2.5 months. So if you can make your money 7x with the risk of 1x, that's where the wise man plays the role. That's the Warren Buffett strategy. So when there is a blood in market, buy, and when people are in fear. So right now there is a time to buy, and why I'm coming on Sunday on a pre-analysis is you can make 7x money in about 72 days time. So hopefully this helps you, and And I'm putting up a good title for it, 7x your money in 72 days BTC Swing analysis, December 21st, 2025. Hopefully this helps you, inshallah. And then if you make a loss, that loss is yours. If you make a profit, that profit is also yours. Okay. So good luck, guys. See you, and hopefully that helps. Take care.